Here I have XIAOMI Redmi A1 Plus, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device. So in case if you forget your PIN, password or pattern and can't even unlock your device now, what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your device off. After it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up. Actually, you have to do it like this. So in the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option wipe data. Then select wipe all data, confirm, and after a few seconds all the data from your device will be erased, including your lock screen password. Then you select option reboot to system, and after that your device will be restarted in a few minutes. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.